Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to share with you how you can make your own text sticker in WhatsApp. Okay, and normally when we send a text to our friends, then we send a normal text. Okay, I will show you the text. So, okay, choose the user. When I send a message text, and here you can see there is no sticker, or this is normal text. Okay, so if I send him a text sticker or on sticker, something like how are you. So when I send it, it will be a sticker. Okay, so how we make this type of sticker in WhatsApp? So it is easy process. Okay, just follow my step, then you will learn. Okay friend, before the tutorial starts, you are sincerely requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem or if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. But we need to install a keyboard. Okay, so this is a small Android app. So go to Play Store, and here you have to search Bubble Indic keyboard. This keyboard, Bubble Indic keyboard, and if you check these apps performance, here you can see 4.5 ratings and 284K reviews. It is a small app, 22 MB, and here you can see 10 million people download these apps. Okay, so this is amazing app. So we have to install it. It takes a few seconds to install in your device. Just wait a few seconds, and here you can see you can use app sticker, font, and you can also use theme. Okay, so it is installing. Just wait a few seconds, then we'll get this app. Okay friend, I hope this install. Okay, after installing in your own device, you have to click open, and after that you need to face some steps, and it is easy. Just you have to click and allow permission. You can see here accept, you have to accept it, and then allow, and you can select your own language. Okay, so here is some ready-made language. So here are 10 language. So if you don't find any language of your language in this option, then you can click others. Okay, so others, then you have to click Babel. Yes, obviously you have to mark Babel AI keyboard, because you have to select this, otherwise you will not able to send a sticker. So I choose, and if you click next, then it's okay, it's don't need, just go back from this, all done. Okay, and your keyboard set. So when you click what, and after that, because this is keyboard, and if you write something, how are you, how are you, so if you send it, then this is normal apps. But how can you make how are you as a text sticker? Okay, how are you. So after finishing your typing your text, you need to click this here. Okay, I'll show you through brush. So okay, I go, and here you can see the option. This option. Okay, so it's some problem. How are you, and how here you can see the option. Let's see, don't send it before click on the right side. Okay, I just to show you. Okay, but it's not working here. Here you can see the let's see, click on this, let's see. Okay, you have to click this one. Okay, I just love this app. love these apps. So can you see the love this see apps below the left side, love this apps, the sticker, you have to click on this sticker, then your text will be sent. Otherwise when you click again, you can see hello, then you can see here the left side, but I did not find the option here, this one, and you have to follow hello and hello, and here you can see the option hello, this option. Okay friend, I hope you understand this tutorial, so how you can make sticker, text sticker in WhatsApp. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you, and please subscribe to the channel, and if you like my video, then please let me know.